Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix your payment method was declined, updated or add a new payment method. So guys, if you are facing this problem but you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open your settings, scroll down and then tap on screen time, scroll down and here tap on content and price restrictions and turn off this toggle from here. After turning it off, you have to just simply go back and then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct and set automatically is turned on. If it is turned off, then you have to just simply turn it on and check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply scroll it on and here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your all setting for one time and then check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply go to your Apple ID and then go to your payment method and delete your payment method, and after that you have to just simply sign out your Apple ID for one time and after that sign in again and then add a new payment method, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.